No
The
update.
one that I got so much of the ones that are
I
worth
know we're doing our
96,000.
animal
I got a
company,
5-star.
but okay.
Come on.
Yeah, I got a 5-star.
You did it.
Let's try
Why is this
exactly
one
what
moving
we're gonna do.
a lot?
And let's
Join
get
the code
started.
NON if you want to go fishing with
Yes.
This is moving a
What do I
lot.
do?
I lost it.
How did I get the rod?
Okay, we will.
I lost
Okay,
the
dude.
How did I get a
Follow
rod?
me,
Hey,
follow
can
me.
you,
Someone said if code NON we can go fishing.
how do I fish?
M-O-M.
Who's running the code to fish with me?
M-O-N.
What's the code?
It is one. It is
I'm stealing his rod.
1 6. The code is 56.
Give me this. First one,
Everyone, the
bomb.
code is
Everyone.
56 to go fishing.
Black. Wanna die? Stay far away from me. Oh, they get bombed. That's what I mean.
It's like a book, bro. Name, bro.
What's the new update about?
Wanna get
Yeah,
bombed?
there's a finale.
Wanna get bombed? Wanna get bombed? Get boom. Get bombed.
Please.
Get bombed. You can't hit me. It's a safe zone. Wanna get bombed? Go right there. Who wants to get bombed? Who wants to get bombed?
Hello.
Black, do you wanna get bombed? Black, do you wanna get bombed? I'll just say so. My bomb everyone. What are you
God, I
doing?
just shot myself.
You can't do that! Clean the toilet, you piece of shit! Oh, flash.
Shut up.
Who wants to get bombed? Who wants to get bombed? Stay right there.
Whoa.
I could just. Where's the selling machine at? Oh, I have a better idea what to use them for. Oh, yeah. It's a ogre.
I'm Granny.
Yeah.
Faster! You fought us. We'll beat ogre. Let's see. Blocked off, dude. If you see ogre, I'll bomb him. I'll bomb his ass. What the hell is that? The almighty sea lake? Or what's it called? A lake? It's blocked off. Should we jump in or what? We have to? No, but it's kind of cool in here. Well, I think you can drown in this. I don't know. Get out. Oh my god. No. Where are you, ogre? Please spawn. We want to bomb you. We'll definitely not kidnap you. No, I don't want to play mini games. It's not gorilla tag.
What, guys, where's the new map?
I don't know myself. There's a spider, I think. Yeah. Where's ogre, dude? It's ogre, bro.
There you go.
Yeah, wizard is installed now.
Do you want to play mini games?
It's a good game. Who
Do you
PC?
want to play mini games?
I do not want to play mini games. Please don't scream at mini games. I said, where's ogre at? Bro, leave us home?
Do you want to play mini games? Play mini games. No mini games. Just shut up.
Bro, where's ogre at? Can't bomb him. Shut up. Yeah.
Do you want to play mini games?
No.
If they want to play mini
Hang it on. That's the almighty lake. Can't find ogre right now. Wait, someone's calling me. Splinter. Wait.
Hello?
Yes? Yeah, I'm doing a video right now.
I'm
An
playing
animal
Block
kingdom.
Blast. Leave me alone.
Okay, wait,
Can I go up the
I'm gonna play. I downloaded it right now. I'm bombing kids right now. I'm gonna bomb kids.
Can I have a rocket launcher?
What?
Guys, you're not
Want a rocket launcher?
Can I have a rocket launcher?
Come out the safe zone. Something good will happen. Definitely, you will not get bombed. I'm joking. I'll not
I
bomb
don't care.
you.
If I get bombed, just kill me.
Yeah. I know.
Kill me?
I didn't. I just installed. Hey, stay right there. I'll bomb you. Like I bombed you last night.
Can I
What?
watch?
On my
Can I come over here
phone.
and watch? First time
You
going
guys over there fishing. You have no life. Who wants to die? With my rocket launcher, it's fresh out the oven. When I get bombed? He wants to get bombed over there, so let's bomb him. Or no, let's just...
Do you want to play mini games? Does anybody want to play mini games?
Shut up! I don't want to play mini games. And it's animal competition gorilla tag, bro. Try other one, bro. Oh my gosh! Hello, bro. You're echoing so hard.
Wanna play mini games?
Say that one more. I'll bomb you.
Wanna play mini games?
mini games on my Block Blast. Can I play with you?
Guys, look! Guys, come to the pen. For you guys.
Yeah, I'm playing. Then you can have it.
You fat ass, I'll bomb you. Hey, Blue, I have free gems right here. Free gems. Free gems. I have free gems.
Mini game. Can I have a go now? No.
I'll
This
bomb
is my
someone.
mini game.
Oh,
Kill me. I want to die. Kill me.
I don't want to die to a bat.
Who wants to get bombed?
Me.
Who's a minigames kid? Don't.
Wanna play mini games?
How you gonna chop your snail?
Oh, good
Hey,
idea.
you got to chop your snail.
Can I have that?
Block blast
Hell
over
no.
there. If you run to it, block blast over there.
Block Blast! I'm playing Block Blast right now!
I killed.
I always come back. You didn't kill me. I'm on low HP though. I always come back. I always come back.
Actually shot it. That's crazy. I killed him. I forgot his arts.
You didn't kill me.
The animal company community made. Why is the Grinch there? Okay, let's walk like this. I have long arms. Guys, I have mods. I'm cheating and I hate you. Try killing me, yellow trash. That's a joke. Hey, you blue gorilla.
You.
I don't need this anymore.
No.
You buy something.
Where are you?
Go, brother.
Right? Yes.
Come here.
I am the devil.
Go kill me.
God.
Go kill me.
Let's play Russian roulette.
You will not talk. Oh, I want to play
Nothing for me. That's for you.
Come here. Okay.
No,
okay.
me.
Come here.
I want to play
Come here. Okay.
How do
What's
you
the Russian roulette? What's the Russian roulette? Russian roulette. Let me. Okay, now. Stay there. Oh, look, I won't look. Okay.
I am the devil, you forgot.
Yo!
No.
Wait, let me revive. Let me revive.
Hey guys, first. Stop.
Okay, wait, why is this body? Dude, why is your body? Why is your body? You! Blue! Blue, come in there! Come in there! No.
Okay, again.
Come in there!
My turn.
I am the whitest fist of God. I am the terror.
Oh my god!
Bro!
Wait, come. Let's continue. It's your turn. There's one bullet left.
Okay.
Oh my god!
I am the whitest fist of God.
You won! Get the gun!
You, Blue! I'm a reload.
I'm broke right now, so... What? Hello guys, today we're in a double stream.
You wanna see an invention?
Fuck you. Let me
Let's
buy
go
more.
mining, cause you're a miner.
What?
This new map sucks. Just bring back
Wants to play Russian roulette? Wants to play Russian roulette? Everything is like there's one bullet. Wants to play Russian roulette? That's full. Blue.
Look, I have a bike.
Again, Russian roulette. This time it's 100% death. 100% death. It's 100% safe. So there's 1.
I have nothing.
You could die.
You want this?
I just know this.
Okay, I'm not gonna be
Russian roulette. Wants to play Russian roulette on the bench. For the idiots. You want to gamble,
No
kid?
one else can.
Okay.
What?
Russian roulette.
No, you have to do it first.
Are you sure? I'm joking. Let me get this.
Please. But wait, Bobby, I did this first. Let me do it.
Wait, let's do different. Wait, blue. Different. Blue. Oh my god. Blue. Let's do different. That like
What about we do shotgun? Okay, you first.
no. Let's do like
Yes, yes.
if you want to. Oh my god.
Holy!
Everybody at the fishing area, bro.
My body is dead. My body. Wait, why are you bringing me? No. Oh my god. Send me back to my body, please. I need a life. Don't bend me over.
Hey, where'd my invention
Or like
go?
stretch me. Over there. No, it's not funny, dude. It's not funny. Bring me over there.
Kids,
Please.
don't worry. We go into your body.
Bro, please.
You don't like
Kids, don't worry. We go to the body. Yoo-hoo!
Idiot. Such an idiot. Oh my god. Where's my gun? My gun is gone. No!
Yeah! Oh my gosh!
Oh, but you're a big boy.
I didn't even mean to kill that guy. I didn't even mean to kill that guy. I'm so sorry.
Hey, do you guys like my new
Oh,
thing
hell
stuff? I
yeah.
just explode everybody.
Kids,
What was that? I stole your gun.
Why do we have an analog board?
oh, I already have one.
Let's play Russian roulette, but a real Russian roulette. I wanna die. I wanna sing. Please shut the fuck up, you dumbass. Oh my god, that's a bombastic
Holy
fight.
assist!
You know what I mean? Oh my god, that's a bombastic fight. Bro, he keeps bombing when we're dead, bro. Makes no sense. Help me! I'm
Where's your
broke.
body?
I'll stretch my arm. Wait, what? Why is my body over there? That's crazy.
Because he got blown up.
I got 2 guns to shoot. Hey, you killed everyone.
Oh God! I
But
am
what my weapon at?
Who bombs everyone? I'll bomb you too. For him. He died. What's the sound?
Ủa tôi là game, em rất cảm gì?
Cat, or what you are? A dinosaur. Say any last words. Dinosaur, say any last words. What's your last words? Say it in front of the camera. I'm recording a video. Say it in front of the camera. Cat, or what you are? Say it in front of the camera. What's your last words? I'm recording.
Yo, bro, you're gonna have to get out of here.
Are you the one who
Never
revived me?
be that guy. You fucking.
Okay, let me
Wait, say your last words. I'm recording. No. Just in front of the camera, please. Please. I won't shoot. Say your last words. Hello? Yeah, I'm not gonna go. Nice try, bro. Cat, I won't kill you if you revive me. Cat, oh what you are, animal. Can someone help me? Revive me. Oh hell no, not this guy. Fuck you. Yeah, I'm going up to heaven. That's where I belong. What the hell? Keep my arm. Cat, help me. Oh my God, they're bombing. What? No. Bomb is Where's mine?
Revive me!
Don't do that, please. I'm trying to fish. There we go.
Let him fish, dude. Wait, Where are you? I can't see.
You guys!
Where are you? You bastard!
And then you're not good.
I'm dead!
I'm
dead.
Revive me!
I'm dead, you
Revive me!
dumbass.
Revive me! Green!
God
Revive
damn
me!
it.
Green! Revive me! Revive me!
This
Revive me!
idiot kid. Let me do
I'll give you a
something.
bag full of items. Please, just revive me.
Cat, revive me! Cat, revive me!
Yo,
I want you to
Revive me. Please.
My God, my arm is glitching.
Don't tell me. Okay, and you don't really like this guy. I'm going to
You know what? I'm
wait,
doing something.
bro, shoot the missile. Shoot the green thing up.
Oh, say less.
Bro's getting cooked. Give me everything. You're my shot now.
I'm wiping out the entire server.
That's terrible.
I'm not gonna teabag you
Perfect.
because I'm not a little kid like you.
How dare I? What?
You're cooked, little bro. Again, bombing, bro. It's insane.
Crazy, we just blew up.
Come here.
Where's my shotgun? Shotgun. It's somewhere in the water. I think. No, it's not.
I'm not gonna teabag you because I'm not a little kid like you. All right? You hear me?
Stole
You hear me?
invention.
Where is he? Where's that kid?
The one who stole my invention, you know you could use it as a weapon, right?
No, guys.
Bro, it's not
Don't worry,
scary.
I'll save you from this evil
Come
villain.
here.
Hi.
Come here.
Hi.
Wait, he was still in the call, dude. You heard everything. What? Who is killing me, dude? Try that one more time and then you'll die. Cat, don't do it.
You guys don't know what
I
you're
dare
in
you,
for.
Cat, don't do it. I'm saying
I'm gonna
don't.
nuke you all.
What the
I'm
hell?
gonna nuke you all.
Bro, figured out to fly. And walk like a big scary. How did I survive that? Oh my god. This is a movie, dude. Got him. There you go. Thank you for the. Get in that skateboard. I dare you. I'll send it to a judge.
Don't hit me. Don't hit me. Don't hit me.
Nah, I'll give you. I'll let it get it. No. Have it. Bro, I swear, is that a voice changer? Is that a voice? Be real for me. Be real, for real.
I am a nice ghost.
Nah, be real. Is that a voice changer? Is that a voice changer? Be for real.
He was pointing
I'll
a gun
get
at you.
you. I'll get you. When
He was pointing a
Bro,
gun
my
at
arms are
someone.
lagging. You dare to kill me! That's what you get.
You were pointing a gun at someone.
Don't revive. Let him. That's what I thought. Get him.
Hello. Let me in your team.
Why is a banana here? Banana.
I'll be in your team to help. Why? I don't, Jagger.
How are you flying? Oh my god.
But he has to remember
My body goes flying. I'm gonna go down there. But I will die.
Now I'm joining my own fucking private, bro.
Let's do this, not again. I'm gonna find an ogre and fucking kill him. Ogre feeling is nothing, bro. What's that sound? Dude, he sponsored now a crash out. Nugget life. Let's go back on board. As fuck.
Yeah. Oh.
And guys, I'm not just gonna post gorilla attack. Big scary. A lot more. Rah! Oh, this looks so dumb. But let's just
I am a nice ghost.
Hey,
I already
Bye.
told you.
Bro, can you shut the hell up?